In the last year, I kind of tried to not bleach my hair as much because I have the tendency to over bleach my hair. Oh my god, I like spin. It's like Niagara water falls out of my mouth. I have the tendency to over bleach my hair to the point where it's like almost gonna fall off. Like my hair normally feels like very crunchy. So I try to not do that too much. And now I actually have relatively healthy hair. I mean, if you look at it, it looks very nice. Also, I cut it a few times. Like my hair is actually looking pretty good, okay? Pretty good. However, I am going to change that today because I am going to bleach my hair. Because I have roots, okay? So today I'm going to bleach my roots because I don't want to wait like 5 months again and then have to bleach like this amount of roots, you know? So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm like thinking of maybe like keeping the roots white because I think like white and red is gonna be a very cute combination, but I'm not sure yet. So I might end up dyeing my hair also, but I don't know, is that gonna be cute? I think it's gonna be very like summer vibe, you know, having a light scalp. So what I'm first gonna do is I have to buy myself some bleach because I definitely don't have enough to cover my entire scalp. So let's do that. Yeah. Hey, got my stuff, bruh. Got my stuff. Bleaching powder and some 20 volume developer. So let's burn this hair off. Before we start, I just want to show you like my roots so you can see how much my hair grows. Okay, so this is also, yeah, there's like red hair dye on my scalp. Please ignore that. And this is like how much my hair grew in like a month and a couple of weeks. I think like 3 weeks, so almost 2 months. Which I feel like, I mean, I feel like it's a lot. I think it's above average, but maybe not, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like section this shit off and then I'm gonna bleach it. I really love this color though. I did have to dye it about 3 times already ever since I dyed it for like the first time because it fades so quickly, especially the ends, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, overall, love the color. Very spicy, very fiery, cute. I was told by multiple professional people that you should always start with like bleaching the back section of your head because it takes like a lot longer to bleach the back, so it needs more time to process. However, I'm just not gonna do that today because I've noticed that every time I start from the back, like the front gets way less light and I see the front of my head, so I want that to be the best, you know? So I am just going to start from the front. I'm very sorry to other professionals, but it's just, I just like it better that way. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I'm gonna do 1 scoop of bleach and 1.5 scoop of developer. I'm just gonna start with 1 and then if I need more I can make more later. Ooh. Good thing I bought a new bottle. Mixy, 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 mixy. This looks like a very small amount of bleach. I thought it would have been more than this. I don't know, whatever. We can always make more, like I said. So let's take my hair and let's bleach the living shite out of it. Oh, my hair feels so healthy though. I'm so proud of myself. Let's do this. So I gotta be careful that I'm not overlapping the hair, because that's definitely not good. But at the same time, I also have to be careful that I'm not putting too little bleach on there, because then, you know, I'm not gonna bleach all of my hair. I mean, this is a very precise task, and I can't believe that I've been doing it myself for so long. Because as you know, I'm not a very precise person, but okay. Okay, first half of the front section is done, and it's actually like really burning this time. I don't like it, like especially around my ears. Not a nice feeling, but you know, we're just gonna have to power through it. You can see how much my hair is already like lightening up. Can you see that? It goes so fast, boy. I absolutely love bleach. Like the way it just completely destroys your hair, yet everybody just willingly puts it in their hair. So funny to me. So as you know, I gave myself like the butterfly cut a few weeks ago, and it's so weird, but my hair is starting to get curly. Like I've never really had curly hair. I used to have like wavy hair, but all the bleach just completely fried the texture out of my hair. But I feel like since it's getting a little bit healthier now, and since I got like a layered haircut, my hair really wants to curl, but also like it's trying so hard, but it doesn't really work because I only get like some curls on this side, but this side just like lays flat. I don't know, it's kind of like annoying. It's very uneven and I don't know what to do. Okay, a lot of you have been telling me that I should do the curly girl method, and I kind of want to try it now because I feel like it is probably going to do something for my hair. Like I don't think I'll end up with like a big head of curls. I mean, I've been looking into it a little bit, but like I don't know, is that gonna work on me? Because I'm literally out here bleaching my hair, and I feel like that's not really gonna help the curly girl method. And I'm also going on a vacation where I want to go swimming in a swimming pool, and I don't think that's good for your hair either. But yeah, if you have any tips for either like the curly girl method or like just some regular tips for curly hair, then please let me know. Okay, I have to make a second batch of bleach because it's already completely empty. I have too much hair, I swear to God. Front section done. Let's go to the back.
This man is going all out for this nail. Yes, sir. Everyone's are sitting quiet for a minute here. You know, yeah.
As far as I know, everything is covered. This is the top, here's the back-ish. Can you see it? Focus. Oh, ooh. I did accidentally bleach some of the hairs that were not supposed to be bleached. As you can see, like my bangs are getting orange now. I do have some orange strands of hair in here, because I can never do it right. Like I really can't. But overall I feel it's nice. Also, look at Pokey, she's so cute. She's a pretty girl. She's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put a plastic bag on my head and then rinse it out in about 40 minutes. Sick! I do kind of already think that I'm just going to dye my roots red as well, because I'm not sure if I like the white roots. I think I want to go for more of like a dark vampy vibe instead of like a bright summer vibe. Okay, we'll see. I'll be right back. Bye! Hello! Yeah, the bleach is rinsed out. As far as I can tell, I did a pretty good job at bleaching it. I mean, not the best, because as you can see, my hair kind of turned orange on some places, which means that I definitely put bleach on places where there should not have been bleach. Kind of like thinking whether I like these roots or not. Like on the one hand, I think it's a vibe. On the other hand, I think I might like a full head of red better. So I'm just gonna like blow dry it, style it a little bit, and then see what I'm gonna do. Hey y'all! I did some makeup, as you can see, which honestly always like pulls the look together, because I definitely look way better with a bunch of makeup on my face. My hair, I don't know, okay, I'm trying really hard to like it, but I think I don't like it. I think it's not, it feels very unintentional. Like this is not supposed to look like this, which is kind of throwing me off a little bit. I don't know, it's kind of like a harsh line. And I don't know if I like it. But if I wear my hair like this, I do think it's kind of sick. Is that cute? I think I think it's nice, but also I'm pretty sure that I'm going to dye it. Let me just take this out so you can see what it looks like with my hair. It's just like how it's normally gonna sit. Yeah, I don't know. Look at it. Is this cute? Is this cute? Wear it like this. Also, my bangs are not working with me today. Yeah, they're really flat. Does this look cute or does it look weird? You tell me. I don't know. Anyways, this was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, kiss kiss, ciao ciao, kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao, bye.